Elephant Man. Elephant Man. Deal with America like a dog. We can have so many great performances by Elephant Man in America. Where Kartel great performance them? Me ask the Gaza fans them now. Where the at 97 big show them when take. Where the reggae tip big show them when take. Where the Rip the Runway them when take. Where the MTV award performance. Where the BET performance them there. Kartel them lock down now like Beanie Man and Bunty them in America and them something. Where is it? Europe where? When Kartel got Europe, he must open in the day and perform. Busy Signal close the Europe show them. Kartel got Europe 2 or 3 times. Why the Gaza fans them not go pull up the video them with Kartel performing in Europe and pull up the video them with Busy Signal performing on the same show them and ask how much time Busy got tour Europe and Africa. Where Kartel tour? Where? It rehearse or something, I don't know. I've ever seen. If anybody, whether you're Gaza fans or you're not Gaza fans, and you said that shit wasn't weird, you're lied.
Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Inside with Nande. You know it's a boss, Nande, night building. So, as we know, Vybz Kartel went to the BVI, right? The British Virgin Island, and he went to perform at Tatola, as I think I said it name, but in performing in a BVI, British Virgin Island, and you know, a lot of people have a lot to say about his performance. I too have a lot to say, but in this episode, I'm not gonna really talk. I'm just gonna play some videos for of some people, some media personnel, so to speak, or celebrity dancehall industry celebrities like Foota, Hype, and you know, Shocking Murray, and some other people like social media influencers. So them attack some things as it pertains to Vybz Kartel and in performance. Some people say he did an amazing job, while others on the other hand say the performance needed a lot of help, and them say, yo, when Nuffy did do, them say Nuffy when Nuffy did do was weird and all sort of stuff. So I have some clippings here that I'm going to play for you guys, showing where them have said about Vybz Kartel performance. And I have a clippings with Vybz Kartel. I say that his performance was amazing, and him now watch the haters, him just a focus on the positivity side of everything, and him just a stack up in millions them, and also, you know, build him legacy as him go on in a life. And you know, him just a same now focus on the haters and stuff. So let's go to the clippings of Shocking Murray. I talk about the Alkaline and Vybz Kartel performance, because recently Nico Fire was saying that Vybz Kartel and Alkaline cannot perform. One thing I can say is that whenever Nico Fire mentions Vybz Kartel, he always feel the need to interject Alkaline. I don't know why, but to each his own, and I guess him just want to feel for interject Alkaline or say whatever as it pertains to both artists, because you know both artists are column in a dance hall and big already. So let's jump right into the clip for you guys.
And Vybz Kartel, I hear Nico a blaze of fire, you know. And I must say, none out of the two of you cannot perform good on a stage. Well, I have said, Nico, each to them own. Everyone is entitled to them opinion, and that is your opinion. But what I have said is that each artist have them own unique ways of how them perform. I have seen multiple shows with Vybz Kartel. I mash them up, tear them down. People that jump up and all kind of sitting. And I have seen multiple shows with Alkaline, mashing them up, tearing them down. People that jump up and all different type of things. But here what me now. When Vybz Kartel run out on a stage, you know, in a film unique way or him perform, you can't go tell the Gaza fans them say the artist can't perform, you know? No, sir. And when Alkaline run out on a stage, you know. And start rock the Vendetta fans them, you know. You can't go tell the Vendetta fans them say Alkaline can't perform, you know. No, sir. Because them see their artists in their own unique ways. Yeah. Because I know everybody like everybody. The greatest artist on earth are the most famous artists on earth. It's not everybody like that artist. You know what I mean? So I just saw it go. Like I said, each to them own. Everyone is entitled to them opinion. And that is your opinion. Each artist have them own unique style. And it's not everybody gonna like it. And it's not everybody gonna hate it. All right, Essa. Shocking Murray said that.
Well, you know, when it comes to Shocking Murray, I always defend the culture. And whenever anybody talk about Vybz, Kartel and Alkaline, I defend them also. But let me know what you think in the comment section about that. So we have Foota IP, so Ashim, film 2 cents also. And let me hear what I say and just get right to it.
It rears or something, you know. I've ever seen. If anybody, whether you're Gaza fans or you're not Gaza fans, and you said that shit wasn't weird, you're lied. Anybody said that never weird, you're lied. You're not talk the truth. Lied, lie. The weirdest all know. Alright, big man thing. Nobody in the business with the show, you know. Nobody in the business with the show. Everybody just a wonder. What the hell was Nuffy on? That's all everybody I wonder. Nobody not care about nobody will perform. Nobody not care if the show ram or if it empty. None of that. The whole world just a wonder what happened to Nuffy that night in Tartola. That's it. Boy, I mean, I think of the show alone, Nuffy take the moment. It was a psychedelic moment. It was a under the influence moment. It was a what is happening kind of moment. It was a what is this? Mystical Dimples, as well, me I say, look like them rehearse it. But it look like a Da Vinci alone don't know about the rehearsal there. You understand? I like a Da Vinci alone don't know about the rehearsal there. Me I tell you the truth. And the man I do it right when Da Vinci if he sing it, make me I wonder if a planting or what. Me don't know how I go on.
So we have Mr. Vagas, I give film 2 cents also, because Mr. Vagas, I say, Vybz Kartel shouldn't have Nuffy on the stage. I do all of that madness. And he must say, Vybz Kartel, Nuffy, I bring you down each time y'all try to go up, or y'all try to elevate, or y'all try to grow. So he must say, Nuffy at the dead weight, we are holding Vybz Kartel. And he must say a bag of things. So make we hear what he must say, and also, you know, tell me what you think, and we got right down in it, mad.
On the matter of Kartel performance, I can see how he's growing, you know, after being locked away for so long. I never expect the man to come out and just nail it. See? I expect him to go through, you know, a length of time to get back his health, his breathing, in vocals, back in top shape. Yeah, I expect it's gonna take some time. But him have the songs then when he can go out and perform until him get to that stage. See? Health-wise, breathing control-wise, fitness-wise, yeah. But, however, he must not be tempted or feels pressured into having people in his performances that handicapped his performances. Because I remember, you know, him a build back. And when you're building, you have to make sure, say, nobody's pulling you back. When you're building, see? You have to ensure, say, nobody's pulling you back. It's important. And in my opinion, MC Nuffy is pulling back Vybz Kartel's performance. He doesn't know timing. He doesn't sound good on the stage. His ad-libs are corny. He sound like a rat or a puss on a hot roof. You know, with a sun hot roof. And him just sound annoying, very annoying on the stage. And trust me, it might sound all right in the venue because there's a lot of noise and, you know, the environment is different. But on the internet, when we listen back to it, Vybz Kartel and TJ, it's horrible. It's horrible, bro. So when MC Nuffy calls out Vybz Kartel, because we don't want to stop him food, when he calls out Kartel, you take away his microphone.
Now that our Vegas are saying to people, make me know what you think in the comment section. If you feel, say, yo, Vegas are disrespect Nuffy in some sort of way. Because it was once said that him and Nuffy not see eye to eye on certain terms. So, I don't know how true that bit, but when you make me know in the comment section. Now, on the other hand, we have Foota hype. I say some things about Spice as it regards the Red Bulls clash. And she disrespecting Busy Signal and Movado. So make we hear what him have to say about that.
Spice are gonna come out and she disrespect Movado. People remember, for clarification, me and Movado are a friend. So this has nothing to do with friendship. She disrespect Busy Signal too. Over some dub plate thing. Now my thing is this. If you have Team Jamaica, which was Spice Army, the big question is, Spice, did you call Movado and ask him to be a part of Spice Army? Yes or no? Now, if the answer is no, if the next team reach out to Movado and pay him to come make an appearance to feed them team, oh, you go vex. Oh, you go vex for that. Remember, you know, if Team Jamaica na call you, but one next team a call you and a pay you, remember Movado a big artist. So for them call him and him fly from over here, go over the money spent. Because them man they love money. Them man in a drop catch and them man they love money. So me sure and a free Movado go over there for. So how you gonna come out and blatantly disrespect the man's up on the mic? Over business where you would have do worse than that. And Uno never call him. Then if me are the fastest man in a run in the world and Jamaica no call me for them team, and one different country call me and say come put your talent to use, so we pay you on top of it. Tell me now. Next thing again. Dub plate.
To a lot of extent, I agree with where Foota hype, so even though I'm not really fond of him more time when him talk certain things, but to some extent, I agree with him, but let me know one thing in the comment section if Uno agree also, because to the way I should disrespect Busy and Movado, you would think because I just the clash thing, but in some regards, it seems as though it's more so feelings inside of it, or there's some sort of feelings toward it, because she say, yo, the culture she do it for and them sell out and ray. So me never really get where she has put a reach to, but me don't know, yeah, man. But me know what you think in the comment section. Now we have some other local regular YouTuber or TikTokers at talk about Vybz Kartel performance also. These are some of the people who say Vybz Kartel perform good or him perform well that day. And some say him either need more work and them glad to say him improve and him get better. So let's jump into that and hear what some of them people have to say.
Vybz Kartel come to the front island. I me come about this morning. Praise the Jah, every emperor. Good morning to all my beautiful ladies. How you doing this morning? All right? On the shore? I love you, you know? And me and no man on the internet them for know. Anyway,
I got to talk about Vybz Kartel for a quick 3 minutes this morning now. Watch your prayer now. Vybz Kartel perform at one place named Tawola. Dumbo Tawola, big word. I can't even pronounce it good. Anyway, watch your prayer. A lot of people have a lot to say the dog can't perform. I see a video with a man that said dog can't perform. My boss and I perform, my dog can't perform. You no blind, you no want goggles, you no want high glass, you no want lens, you no want contacts to see the dog not that healthy as you no think. And when the dog come out of prison, the dog go everywhere. I travel, look like he's tired. Then, but that is not an excuse. Can go people them show and the people them want to put on a good performance. Then, but watch this though. When I feel say Vybz Kartel for do, Vybz Kartel take this message with a grain of salt. Where I feel like you for do, anyway you perform, your set not to be that long. Where you can move around and build a vibes. You have to give the people them a vibes. You understand? As much as you are the king and Beanie Man are like you. Ever see Beanie Man them perform, my boss said? When Beanie Man them perform, a vibes, you know. Beanie Man them have some stage performance, you know, brother, and a normal, you know. And anybody say a lie, me I tell me in the comments, say a lie, me I tell. So Beanie Man can perform good. So Vybz Kartel, we know you have the hits. We know you have the big record them. But you see you do a tour, you know, you go there Brooklyn next. Vybz Kartel, you have to kind of give a little. Either you cool off of the bottle of champagne them and start drink some porridge and Haminican and you know that style there. Start do something look different and give it a little vibes there. Cause you're whole, you know, but you're not that whole. So you still can move around and give you vibes and jump and certain things. And Vybz Kartel. You see, I don't know if enough of them are your background singer. People, you don't see Nuffy on the stage. I don't know if Nuffy get in a spirit or something happen. Nuffy go, ah! Javin, she just look at him so. But, Vybz Kartel, listen to me. Either you go calm down after the drinking, just get your body in a little shape. That's when you touch some stage and some place. Remember the Vybz Kartel. We know, see, I know the Vybz Kartel will go to prison come out, you know, it's a different Vybz Kartel. Me understand that. But at the same time, if them people them appear, a bag of money can see, you know, brother. You have to give them something for feel good about, you know. You have to give it some type of movements, you know. Because even with Buju concert them, you know, so Buju them can't move, me boss. Buju them move on. The Rasta sets up bop on. You know, say Rasta treat roots and Irish mash and then sitting there Rasta feel pan, say Rasta got look up and Buju older than you. Me understand you might have some look a problem, you know. If you have a hard problem where you can't move too hard and you can't breathe. But sometimes when you're a DJ, me see you kind of rushy. So you want them, why you thought take care of your body, put on the buckle, the rum buckle. You understand? Put on the what you call the street vibes. The fever, put it down. And start give people them look more for their money. You understand? Because you name Vybz Kartel. And I believe in you, my boss. But at the same time, you have to give you something to clap for. And if you do right, me I go come cheer on you. If you do wrong, me I come burn you. That's how we got to work. I split justice. That's the way brother are saying to people. And we must say make sense, you know. And more than share the same sentiment. But on the other hand, what I have to say is that Vybz Kartel is a legend, right? And him do it already, and him still a do it now. So what I have to say is that people need to start advocate for the man, put down the smoking and the drinking whenever him have performance or him have big shows to perform at, right? Not saying you know for smoke and drink, because you can't take that out of a man who love do them thing or that of them life. So people just need to advocate more for him for just do the necessary exercising, take the necessary steps to make sure say him can maintain him body when it comes to shows, because trust me, him have more shows to do and a lot more, because remember he did 13 years behind bars, so him have a lot to achieve from after the bar being behind prison. So him need to do what he need to do and make sure so yo him take care of him health. So now we have Vybz Kartel, a refer, and a talk out. He must say yo, don't listen to bad mind people, don't follow negativity, just focus on the positive. And so forth. We have him in a clip right now. I go play for where he must state say yo. He might make the money and he might live life right now. He not focus on the body where I hate upon him or bad mind him because he might make millions while them not make nothing. So I play clippings for now.
Get to you, you hear me? You need to focus on negativity. Focus on success. It's an amazing feeling. And most of all, the haters them don't like it. What this under me nose?
I'm out.
Not even 2 months in America. Stacking up these millions. Staying focused. God is the greatest. Positive around here. It's a tape.
Yeah.
Gaza no rape. Remember we represent for Jamaica anywhere we go. We just shell down Kartel, British Virgin Islands. Show was amazing. There with Scatter. If you don't like him, it no matter. We're there with Ishi. Some other girl up is fishing. We're there with Jack. Remember that. And the son. Sing around this song. What is that? Nobody knows.
Now the DJ a flaunt as usual. I know I Vybz Kartel go to work already, but all I want to say is that I hope he takes all these constructive criticism into consideration and know. So yo, next time I perform, may I give them the full effect. May I give them more energetic performance, not just a lackluster performance, a performance where may I lose breath and all of them things there and may I feel stop. Even though we know say you're sick and rare, but I hope him take it into consideration. Now we have this brother here, so we know he's clearly a Gaza man, so he might give him 2 cents, or I would say he might give his own comments pertaining to Vybz Kartel performance. And you know Vybz Kartel fans them, they're not gonna take they're not going to give crucial criticism or considerate criticism. So he's a Gaza fans as usual. So he must say him 2 cents, so I could hear what him have to say and get to business, man.
The phone show, you know, on my show. We going to party tonight, yeah. So yo, I could tell you about this a Vybz Kartel performance in Tartola, BVI. Bro, the performance was energetic. The performance was epic. The performance was full of energy. And the crowd was giving the love that was needed. Honestly speaking, I watched the entire performance via Coda Network. Coda, big up on yourself. The quality was A1. The quality was top notch. Vybz Kartel, you did it once again. You keep on getting better and better, you know. And we know, say yo, you know, you have a little health issue and whatever. But we see you really want to get into it. But it's like, as soon as you start, you know your body just like, you say, yo, you know what, I'm not too accurate myself. One time I go so I'm see you, because I was actually slung on the speaker box and a DJ, bro, and the crowd are singing word for word. Bro, you did it, bro. You did it once again. This is your second live performance. This is your first performance outside of Jamaica, international scene, and you did it. Kudos to you. And kudos to Little Vybz and Little Addy. Uno did it. Uno do it, bro. You see me I say Ja Vinci. You did it. You get me I say big woman thing. Yo, teacher, I love the performance. We love the performance, dog. And you see, as you get more and more acquainted back with the whole performance thing, live performance, we see you get better and better, and you look like yourself again, bro G. Big woman thing. Big up your damn self, world boss. You see me I say? It's a good fucking look. All the sun on my nose, I'm out. One Gaza. I never two. That me I tell you. We going to party tonight, eh? Ladies, if you love excitement, come let me rub you the right way. We going to party tonight, eh? Ow.
As I'm saying now, people, Gaza fans, them now gonna give Vybz Kartel no critical criticism. So, we know it go. And then again, still, a lot of artist fans now gonna really give them artists the crucial and critical criticism, as we would say, are, you know, criticize them in a way where it seem like a bad mind them, or a talk down upon them. So, we understand that. But, you know, it go already, man, a Vybz and Insight with Nando with another one. Just tell me what you think in the comment section about this clip and what Foota hype have to say. And Vagas, you know, a lot of people are going to say what them have to say, but still, it's up to Vybz Kartel for know, so yo, him need to do, him have to do for come out on top, because these small concert and stage show him a perform, him have to understand, say, there's big stage show out there where him I go perform also, so him just have to know what him a do and make sure, so yo, him come out on top if him want to come out on top. But you know already, man, a Vybz and Inside with another one. I'm out. Peace.
Look, what is under me nose? When me a go do with bad guy? When me do with some tight hole girl? No cause the business. Look, it a tape. Load the little bit there.